Hi guys, so I just went back from school. Today's vlog will be focused on studying because I have an exam tomorrow, which is pretty important because it is a Chinese exam. I wasn't thinking to study too much, but after looking at the topic, I feel like I should study. And also this morning, I took an accounting exam, which I studied for around 2 hours and I definitely funked it. Like, I don't know what happened, but I probably failed because there were only 2 questions and I definitely got one wrong. So, I mean, I definitely did not get that correct and I will fail that exam. So I'm kind of scared now because I don't want to fail 2 exams. So I'm gonna try to study harder for this one. So today's exam is a Mandarin exam and I had to study 2 chapters. I am planning to finish at around 11 to 12 a.m. So I'll get enough sleep, at least 5 or 6 hours, which is average for me actually nowadays. I feel like my problem is that once I get home from school, I take a break, like a really long break from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. which is dinner, and after dinner I take a shower, and sometimes that might take 1 hour or so because I'm also looking at my phone and relaxing, and sometimes I take a nap after school. So I would usually start getting my work done by 8 p.m. and I feel like that's a bit late because that would mean I will finish much later in the evening. I have to study chapters 10 and 9. First, I'm gonna write all of the grammar that I had to memorize on these post-it notes and put them all throughout my worksheet.
Recently, I've been picking up this study method where I write down all of my weak points and stuff I have to memorize quickly on post-it notes and sticking them all throughout the textbook. So I don't necessarily create a new set of notes that I have to rewrite, but instead just write all of them down on post-it notes, which makes it really brief and short. I do this for every subject, not just Mandarin. I do this for math and English, and yeah, basically every subject, I guess. I post it all throughout my textbook, and it's really good because I can view the post-its and read the textbook a little at the same time. For vocab, especially Mandarin, where you have all these different characters, I write them over and over again until I memorize the character. It takes some time for some words, and I would have to repeat writing them a few times. For example, I'd write them maybe at 10 p.m. and then I'd rewrite again at 10:30 to see if I actually memorized it. It is like I use a messy notebook for this, and I usually keep a specific notebook for writing down these kind of stuff because it's just all over the place, and honestly, it's just to train my muscle memory. Also guys, let me know which study methods you use because I have been experimenting with different study methods, and so far I think only this active recall method worked. For the rest, like writing notes and reading the textbook, it doesn't really help because I end up forgetting everything on the exam.
Update, I have finished reviewing chapter 9 of my worksheet and I'm gonna do chapter 10 next. It is currently 9:47, almost 10 p.m. I'm gonna have a little break first and then I'm gonna continue. So how I practice is I would repeat the words that I haven't memorized yet over and over again, and it kind of helps.
Over here, I have my late night snack. It is leftover dark chocolate granola from yesterday, and I was feeling really hungry, so yeah, I needed a snack to keep my motivation up. It was pretty late. I think when I took this clip, it was about around 11 p.m. So yeah, I was already quite tired and I needed some energy. Also, the video makes it seem like this is my only break, but this is actually my third break for tonight's study session. And yeah, I take a lot of breaks, and usually the breaks contain me watching YouTube, getting a snack, or like straight up napping for 30 minutes. Right now it is almost 12 a.m. and I know it's quite late, but luckily I managed to get enough sleep. I'm doing my last review and redoing all of my questions from my worksheets. I write them either directly on the worksheet itself with a different color pen or write it down on my messy notebook that I mentioned before. Also, because I'm voiceovering this a week after I took the video, I'm glad to say that I did pretty well in the exam and I almost got a perfect score. So yeah, I'm really happy with that, and thank you guys for watching. Bye, see you next time.